Hi, I'm Dr. Kim Holton, lecturer in the Department of Health Education and Behavior, and a member of the UF Mindfulness team. With over 20 years of experience in practice, teaching, and research of mindfulness, I'm offering a few tips today in hopes that it will help you during these stressful times. In case you're not familiar with mindfulness, I'll offer a working definition, one of my favorites. Mindfulness is really a practice to cultivate a relationship with yourself, a relationship that improves self-awareness and cultivates self-compassion. So the research on mindfulness is rapidly growing, and there are a few tips that I wanted to share of what we currently know. The first being that frequency of practice is important. So rather than trying to maybe sit in meditation for an hour once a week, it's more helpful in terms of improving your health and well-being to engage in a daily practice for a shorter amount of time. So frequency over duration is more important. The second thing I'd like to share in an effort to help encourage you to stay with the practice is that we're seeing that the effects of these practices are cumulative over time. So the more you practice throughout the days, the greater the effect will be on your health and well-being. And the third tip I'd like to offer is to keep it simple. So as little as 5 minutes of practice of seated meditation has been shown to change neural pathways in the mind that can lead to improvements in health and well-being. So keeping it simple, focused on a breath meditation where maybe you just pause in your day and consciously take a few deep breaths is a really nice one, and it's one that I lean into often. We're always breathing. We have more awareness of our breath than ever during these times of COVID-19. And so taking that pause to consciously deepen the breath and slow the breath can stimulate the relaxation response and help you calm down. Another nice one that I enjoy, that I find particularly helpful if I'm wrapped up in my mind with thoughts and rumination of those thoughts, maybe what if, what's going to happen as we sit in this unknown time, is journaling. So journaling is a nice mindfulness practice in that it gives you an opportunity to get your words down on paper and see that those thoughts, those words that are being formed in the mind that create thoughts that often elicit emotion, are just thoughts. And so that practice can help you create some space there and see that you are not just your thoughts. So I hope you find these tips helpful. And if you're looking for a community to practice or some further resources, please do check out our UF Mindfulness page, and that's at mindfulness.ufl.edu. We are still offering regular Zoom practices, and we'd love to have you join us. Thank you, and take good care.